it's Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lip balm tag using the Stampin Up Christmas Tags and More Specialty Designer Series paper. Not only are they quick and easy, but they make an excellent stocking stuffer. So let's get started. Here are my lip balm tags, and around them you can see that I've used the Christmas Tags and More Specialty Designer Series paper. They have the sentiment wishing you good things at the top, and this is made with the new banner stands, stamp set, and coordinating 3 banner punch. This is the Christmas Tags and More Designer Series paper, or what I have left of it, and I've used multiple patterns already. They're front and back, and this paper also includes die cuts that you can use on your cards. Here are some examples of the parts that I've used or I've made using the paper and the die cuts. Alright, again, these are quick and easy, and they make a wonderful stocking stuffer. So I'm going to bring in my supplies right here. And you probably have some of these things in your stamping stash. Alright. I'm going to start with a piece of real red cardstock. This is 2 by 4 3/4. Next, what I want to do, on my stash, I have one of our old tag topper punches. If you don't have a tag topper punch, you can punch a hole at the top of this and use a corner around it. Now that I have my tag, now these lip balm tags, I'll put a link to these in the post. You can find these little domes on Amazon, and they come with an adhesive so you can attach anything that you want to them. These two I put lip balm in, but these also you can put money in. So this one I'm actually going to put some money. Okay? Alright. What I'm going to do first, this is the adhesive that the domes come in. You get this, and then here's the dome. So what I want to do first, I'm going to take off the adhesive. And make sure I can see this. This is going to peel back. Cardstock. Pull it back. Then middle piece, and again for this one I'm going to use some money, and then I'm going to attach the dome right on top. Next, what I've done, if you have some rectangular dies, these are our old stitch rectangles, and I'm using the next to the largest rectangle. You may have rectangles in your stash. There are other dies that you could probably cut out, but you want this rectangle to be able, or whatever die you use, to fit over the dome. And so what I've done is I've taken this, and I've taken a piece of that Christmas Tags and More Designer Series paper, and I laid it on top to cut my window. Alright, so now I'm going to attach this over the dome, and I'm using the Chumbo multi-purpose adhesive. I have a love-hate with it. It's good, but sometimes it can be messy. Over the dome. Just like so. Alright. Now what I want to do, I got some garden green ribbon for my stash. And I'm going to tie this at the top. And now I'm going to make my tag. Again, this is made with the new banner punch, and I like it. This is in the November 2025 online exclusive, and it punches out 3 different tags. And you can make them bigger or longer just by adjusting on the back. So I've already punched one out. And then one of my other all-time favorites is the hole puncher format. This comes in a 3-pack, and it makes 3 different holes. This is the smallest. It punches a 1/8 hole, and that's what I've done on this little tag. This is the Banner Sand Stamp Set. I like this because you have multiple sentiments. You are loved, I'm so grateful, consider yourself loved, you're the sweetest, wishing you good things, I can't thank you enough, happy birthday, here's to you, you did it, cue the confetti, I'm here for you, celebrate, thanks a million, and sending my love. And these are all photopolymers. So I'm going to be using the wishing you good things stamp. Ink this up in garden green ink. So I'm just going to stamp right on this banner tag. Okay. And then I'm just going to take some twine. This is from the Baker's Twine Essential Pack. And put this around here. hardest things to do is to tie a bow on camera. Like that it goes. decorative stars. And these stars come from the Peace on Earth dies. It's one die that puts out 3 stars at one time. That's how we can use dies with other projects. So I'm going to come in here and with my glue, hopefully I can get these to stick. And that sticks to me. And there you have it. Now, put this one in the middle. You have a quick and easy stocking stuffer. Again, you can put lip balms in here. You can put money in here. And they make a wonderful little extra gift. Thank you for taking the time to watch me craft. I hope you give this project a try. You can shop with me at lisafleming.stampinup.net. You can find my other projects at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Pinterest and Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. You can find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Cards. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Happy stamping.